Hi, this is Brian M. Curran from draftingservices.com, and I'm shooting a video of the project site I'm at today. I'm in Scarsdale, New York, and I'm creating existing condition drawings of this house. I am creating the floor plan drawings, the reflected ceiling plan drawings, and the electrical plans. This is a new purchase, and the owners will be doing some gutting of miscellaneous rooms. So this is where I'm at, and I figured I'd show you. Actually, there's a little rabbit over here as I'm filming this. As I was saying, this is where I'm at today. I thought I'd show you my project. Thank you for viewing my video, and if you're ever in need of existing condition drawings of a house, whether it's in upstate New York or in New York City, then please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thank you for viewing my video, and have a fantastic day.